Indonesia selalu punya cara untuk memikat hati para wisatawan. Bagi kita, ini adalah rumah. Tapi bagi mereka yang datang dari jauh, ini adalah sebuah keajaiban. Lewat mata seorang traveler, kita melihat bagaimana indahnya negeri ini. Tak hanya pada alamnya, tapi juga pada jiwa yang ada di dalamnya. Inilah Indonesia. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Plymouth in England.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Bonnie.
This is your first time come to Indonesia?
It is my first time. I've been here for 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm an English teacher.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you come to Indonesia for learn and teaching in English for everyone in Indonesia?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
I'm fine.
It's okay.
I'm fine.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from China.
And what's your name?
Yiming.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
What's your name?
Felix.
And where are you from? Germany.
Yes.
So what made you decide to come to Indonesia for traveling?
Because I traveled all over the Southeast Asia and Indonesia. Actually, I have been to Bali before, but I have never been to Jakarta. So I want to experience the different culture.
I'm just interested in the culture. I just wanted to see what it was about because I was traveling in Thailand and Vietnam before, and I wanted to see how religion affects different parts of the world. Indonesia is Muslim,
Yeah.
and I was in a Hindu country, so I wanted to see the culture.
So this is your first time come to Indonesia?
It is my first time. I've been here for 3 days. Yeah, it's
So
exciting.
how do you balance between working and traveling?
I haven't started work yet. I start on Monday, so for now I can relax a lot. But I get 2 days off, so I'll be exploring as much as I can. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm working online and also we are searching some business opportunities in Indonesia. Yeah, actually, I'm using business visa.
I just finished high school.
Okay.
And I finished high school soon now, so it's not as work because I wanted to see the world. And after this, I will go back to university.
Okay. And do you think Indonesia is a budget friendly for everyone who comes to Indonesia?
Yeah, it's very, very cheap. Very
Really?
cheap.
Yeah, actually, it's budget friendly, and of course, like in the CBD, it's more expensive. But
CBD is more business class.
other place they are budget friendly.
Yeah, okay.
I think if you go here during the monsoon season, very cheap. I can't really talk about sunny. And I think it also depends where you go in Indonesia. If it's Java, it's probably cheaper.
Yeah.
So if you can compare between Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia, what do you think is more cheapest?
I'd say Indonesia seems the cheapest. I haven't been to the others yet, but when I looked online, Indonesia seems the cheapest. And compared to England, the other day in Indonesia, I had a manicure, pedicure, massage, cigarettes, and a full 3-course meal for £40. In England, one of those things would be £60.
Yeah, I know. I know. In England, I think it's quite expensive. Everything is expensive, right?
Yeah, everything.
I think the cheapest is Vietnam because I think the cheapest is Vietnam.
I haven't been in Indonesia long enough, but I went to Chinatown today, and it was very cheap. And Vietnam was the cheapest between the trip. So far, Indonesia seems to be also as cheap.
And how much money do you spend for travel in Indonesia?
You mean how much I plan to?
Yeah.
I think like around $2,000 to $3,000 for around 1 week.
I mean, it depends. Like this morning I had breakfast and it was £1.70 for a full meal and 2 drinks. Last night I had a full meal. Yesterday I only spent £6.30 all day. The day before I spent £60, but I had a lot going on. So.
I think I can spend around 30 euros a day, so I think I'll better than with this is okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So you said you already stay 1 year in Indonesia. So
I haven't. I've just moved here.
Oh, just
so I'm
moved here.
about to spend.
okay, you will spend 1 year in Indonesia. So just 3 days, maybe three days, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think is the most favorite place in Indonesia?
I really like it here. It's my first time here today, Old Town, and I've been exploring Central Park Shopping Mall, and that's been great as well. Yeah.
So other Jakarta, do you have plan to go to another place for trip?
I'm hoping to go to another island, maybe Bali, maybe not, for Eid, for 3 days of
okay.
Eid and 4 days here of
Okay,
Eid.
maybe I would recommend that you to go to Java trip like Bromo, Mountain, Yogyakarta, Bandung especially is more
Yes.
cold. The weather is more cold than Jakarta. Also, you can go to Ijen, Mountain Ijen that have a blue fire.
Okay.
Yeah, you have
Fire.
blue fire mountain. Yeah, you have to go there.
Yeah.
And also there's a waterfall, the big waterfall called Tumpak Sewu waterfall. It's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
You have to
I'd
go.
like to see. I'd like to see that.
So if you can describe one word for Indonesia, what would you say?
Really, really nice people because it's like out of my imagination, and people are very honest. Like they don't give the tour. But not Bali. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
In Jakarta, people they are very honest and a very nice service. When I go to the hotel, restaurant, they always offer you very nice service, and also people like to smile. And people seems very relaxing because we usually the Chinese people
friendly, yeah.
Chinese people are very nervous and indifferent, but here the people are very nice and glad to help.
Definitely wrong, but I'm not friendly. I've met so many nice people. Just one day that I've been here, everybody was so helpful. So I was so friendly.
Yeah. Okay.
Chaotic and friendly. I have to say both.
Okay.
It's chaotic
that's
and it's
cool.
friendly. If I had to pick one, friendly.
Okay. What do you think the most underrated and overrated thing in Indonesia?
Underrated.
Yeah.
Probably the food, because you don't in England. There aren't many Indonesian restaurants, but the food is so good.
Underrated and overrated place in Indonesia. Actually, I think Bali.
Yeah.
Bali is a little bit overrated.
Okay.
I think because more and more tourists come, so like Bali becomes more commercial.
Yeah.
It's like I think they somehow lost their authentic culture.
Yeah.
And it's like more westernized.
Bali is more Western and more touristic.
Yeah, more touristic. And Jakarta is underrated because most people they come to Jakarta because they need to transfer to Bali.
Bali, yeah.
But so Jakarta actually the food is very nice. People are very nice and has more history. Not more history, but has his different history than Bali. Yes.
Yeah.
Probably overrated has to be Bali.
Yeah.
Just-
You have come to Bali before?
I will though. I don't know how long I will stay because I've heard a lot of good things, a lot of bad things. Everybody's mixed on it. Okay. So I will see probably then I have to say Lombok is overrated because I've heard that Lombok is
Yeah, we have tried to go to Gili Island, and Island. Yeah, that most worth it than Bali Island. And what's something special about Indonesia and that you think you didn't get in another place?
What is special?
Yeah.
I think honest.
Honest.
Like most of the Muslim people, Indonesian people, they are very nice. I think because of the religion. Yeah, I think this is a very important one because they don't give me the tourist price.
Yeah.
And for example, 1 kilograms
Yeah.
is 1 kilograms. 1 kilograms is not 0.8 kilograms, something like that. Yeah.
I think it's the mix between nature and people because Indonesia is full of beautiful nature, volcanoes and beaches and surfing, but also a lot of culture, a lot of different people. I mean, Indonesia is one of the most populated countries in the world, so you see a lot of people, you get a lot of culture like in Vietnam, but you also get the beautiful nature from Thailand or Sri Lanka. Okay.
I have a first question that you have to answer quickly. Yeah, wait. Okay. What is the capital city of Indonesia?
Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Jakarta. What is the iconic food of Indonesia?
Nasi guru.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah,
Okay.
goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Do you know how many islands that we have in Indonesia?
Over 17,500.
Wow, you know already.
I've been
That's
doing my
cool.
homework.
Yeah, and
Like 20,000.
yeah, totally we have more than 17,000 island in Indonesia.
70 or 17?
17.
17.
Yeah, 17,000.
Ah,
yeah.
17,000. Yeah.
Do you think Bali is an island of country or country?
Bali is the island of Indonesia.
So because so many people think that Bali is a country.
I think it's just because Bali share the it's like different religion, and Balinese they are believing Hindu, so it makes it different.
Yeah.
Island.
Island. Yeah, you know, some people think that Bali is a country. So how do you think about that?
It's completely different to a lot of Indonesia, but it's
Wow.
definitely an island.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time. This is amazing interview with you. And what's your name again?
Bonnie?
Bonnie.
And your name?
Handy. So thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Yeah.